All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. So aromatherapy. Yeah, the use of smells and oils. So oils like these, yes, an oil that smells. Smell, oh, perfect, yes, smell, very good. Smell, smell, smell. For healing. For healing, healing. Let's try and get a picture of healing. Healing, yeah, that one away. Yeah, healing. Yeah, very good. And beauty. Beauty. Let's try and get a picture. Let's say beauty. Ah, there's this. I don't see it. Yeah, beauty. Let's have that then. Anything. This one. Beauty. Beauty. Yeah, very good. Very good. So I don't understand aromatherapy. Yeah. I have no idea what aromatherapy is about. Yeah. Herbs and spices, maybe, but I don't know. I don't know. Okay. She knows a lot about aromatherapy. Yeah, she knows a lot about aromatherapy. Very good. So he would like to study aromatherapy. It looks interesting in his opinion. Yeah, it looks interesting in his opinion. Okay, yeah. Right. We thought that this book was about aromatherapy. Yeah. It looks like aromatherapy. It looks like aromatherapy, but I can't tell. I can't tell. Okay, fine. Very good. How often do they go to aromatherapy? How often do you do aromatherapy? How often do you do aromatherapy? I have never done it. I have never done aromatherapy. I've never done aromatherapy, so I'm not sure what it's about. Oils and spices, plants. I'm not sure. Aromatherapy looks very natural. Aromatherapy looks very natural. Okay. And could it be good? Could it be good for you? I'm not sure. Could it be good for you? I'm not sure. Yeah. He used to know a lot about aromatherapy. He used to know a lot, but not anymore. Why is she studying aromatherapy? Yeah. When did you study aromatherapy? See, I have never studied it, but how do you know about it? How do you know about aromatherapy? I know nothing about aromatherapy, and he knows nothing about it too. Okay. Next week is my first aromatherapy session. Yeah. I will try aromatherapy next week. Ah. Okay. All right. I will try aromatherapy next week. Why not? I will give it a try. I want to see what it's about. I'm curious. What is it about? I am curious enough to see what it is about and learn something from it. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So, can you use aromatherapy in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too by looking for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.